Hey, how was school today?
It was good, but a little tiring.
Why tiring? What happened today?
We had a long math class.
Oh, yes, math can be tiring.
Did you understand the lesson today?
Yes, but some parts were hard.
Same here. I need to practice more.
Yes, practice makes everything easier.
What other classes you had today?
We had English, science, and art.
Oh, I love art class.
Yes, today we painted flowers.
Wow, that sounds fun and colorful.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes, most of them are nice.
That's good. Nice teachers help a lot.
Yes, they make learning enjoyable.
What time does your school start?
It starts at 8 in the morning.
Mine starts at 9, a bit later.
Lucky you! You get more sleep.
Haha, yes, I sleep a little extra.
Do you take lunch from home?
Yes, my mom packs my lunch.
What did you eat today?
I had rice, veggies, and fruit.
Nice. I had a sandwich today.
Do you sit with friends at lunch?
Yes, we sit and talk a lot.
That sounds fun and relaxing.
Yes, lunchtime is my favorite break.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, I have English and math.
Oh, same. I have science too.
Science homework takes time, I think.
Yes, but I will finish tonight.
Do you study at night or morning?
I study mostly at night.
I study better early in morning.
Oh, nice. Everyone has different habits.
What subject do you like most?
I like English the most.
Oh, I like science more.
Science is interesting too.
Yes, I enjoy experiments in class.
Okay, I need to start homework now.
Same here. I must study too.
Let's study and talk later.
Yes, message me after finishing.
Sure. Good luck with homework.
Thanks. Good luck to you too.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Have a great evening.